Hi there, today I'm going to show you how to replace ink cartridges in a Canon MG2551S. Now this is nice and simple and can be done directly from the printer itself without needing to involve a PC or laptop. And with this particular model, we can go straight to the front of the printer and open up the little door you can see here. Unlike some models of printers, you don't need to give a prompt to the machine. As you can see, the printer has detected I've opened that door and it's moved the ink cartridges over here into the correct position. And here we have colour cartridge on the left, black cartridge on the right. So simply locate whichever one it is you need to change, and we press down on the top of the cartridge until you hear that nice satisfying click that lets you know it's free. Then we can pull them out. Now, this is a brand new cartridge, there's no need for me to pop in a new one, but you'll want to make sure you've removed any protective packaging found on the outside of the cartridge. As a Canon original, this will be like a plastic pot, sealed, and there'll also be on the underside a little tab that you can pull off that's normally tucked to the side. On compatibles and remanufactured ones, you might find it runs across the print head itself and up and over the contacts on the front. So make sure that's been fully removed, because if anything's covering these contacts, it won't be able to recognise the cartridge. Then we simply pop them back in. You can just slide it into place until it's hanging loosely in there, like that. Then we just push up until it clicks up into that position again. Now, we repeat for the other cartridge if needed, and then lift that door back up until it clicks back in. And as you can potentially hear, the machine will recognise that door's been closed and take a look at the cartridge itself. And assuming it's perfectly happy with the ink cartridges, the top of your printer will look like this, with the power light lit, but nothing along here. Heaven forbid there is a problem with either of the cartridges, you can expect to see a combination of flashing lights from these three. I'll make reference down in the description, the point in your manual where you can diagnose those codes, if you should be unlucky enough to have one there. But that's about all there is to see here. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Let me know with a like if it's been useful. Drop anything you'd like to add down in the comments, and I'll see you next time. Take care. Bye bye.